Good morning, guys. I just wanted to give a quick update this morning just regarding the Bitcoin chart and price overall. My last video, in my opinion, was rather trash in regards to all this price action, stuff like that. Um, the chart is developed enough to where, yeah, there's actually kind of semblances of a falling wedge. And yeah, it's completely different from what I had mentioned prior in the previous uh, previous video. Sorry, I kind of just woke up and I just noticed this significantly better structure and easier to read at this time. I'm just going to go over it really quick. Yeah, so essentially the top of this particular edge here, it was just too there wasn't it was like damn near horizontal, if you will. So this makes a little bit more sense just because once price broke out of this triangle, it just went super completely parabolic to the downside. Let's see, from the top of here to the bottom, it was like basically 6.9%. Um, so yeah, I was kind of expecting a more gradual move to the downside, but there was a huge sign of weakness because once this particular support was broken at 21.249, usually when resistances, or I'm sorry, if supports are broken, usually price tries to back test to it. And at this point, when I saw this particular candle here, it was just a massive sign of weakness where the 100 EMA was kind of like the main driver of resistance as opposed to the top side. Um, so yeah, I mean, as it stands, we're kind of seeing multiple touch points from this point, previous of support at that level I was mentioning. So you have multiple hourly candle closes that have respected this line of support. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So we definitely have three. So actually it validates it. Actually four up here as well. Also, my support and resistance indicators are popping up as well. Now, on the hourly, we are getting a sell signal, but as you can see, the money flow actually has a higher low finally. Also, on the 37-minute, which is a precursor to the 1 hour, we're kind of getting some waning sell pressure, and the VWAP is curling to the upside. But yeah, also the TSI, let me go back to the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour has legitly confirmed across and is pointing to the upside as well. So let me go to my other indicators here. It's pretty ugly, I understand, due to just weekend sell pressure, or just in this particular weekend. But yeah, we had a buy signal, completely invalidated. These are weekend triggers. That is another reason why not a fan of the weekend trading. But anyway, now it is in the morning of a Monday, so we are looking at a curl to the upside. That's rather intriguing. Also, the TMA is starting to leave the buy zone, if you will, and is starting to curl to the upside. No divergence just yet, so it looks like there's still time to get that bullish divergence that I've been kind of looking for. But something that I'm looking at right here on the 1 hour is the 1 hour TSI is trying to cross the 34 line up. And it recently, oh, look at that. And also the slow moving average now is curling to the upside. So that's another a pretty healthy sign. Also on the TSI here, as long as price is above 20.426, you can expect higher prices. Now, I wouldn't necessarily take a long at this time. What I'm looking for is an hourly candle close broken, right? Uh, and back tested this line of previous resistance. So essentially what I'm looking for is something like this where it back tests it and it's just a continuation. So that's what I'm looking at this morning. This was a really short one. I felt pretty bad giving you like bunk ass data yesterday. I mean, it's weekend data at the end of the day, but it's a nice little healthy reflection But yeah, this is Monday morning stuff, so enjoy. Please be careful with everything that you do in regards to crypto investing. It's very crazy right now, but just wanted to give you some updates. Take care, have a great one. Bye bye.